You're taking a live look from our WTOC End Market Savannah Riverfront Skycam. Welcome back to Morning Break. We are continuing our tailgate fun. I'm hanging out with 64 Insurance Group. I've got Brett and I've got Chip, and we are having so much fun. Now, grilling is one of my favorite parts. When we're talking about sports, this is what we want to do. We want to grill up the goods.
That's right.
Talk about your theme today. Now, you guys recently changed your name, and you were pretty creative by intertwining that.
Yeah, so I'm Chip Lewis, founder and CEO of 64 Insurance Group, formerly Savannah Medicare Specialist. RU64.com is our website. Maybe you've seen some of our goofy commercials. A lot of them are running right now through the program. This is my good buddy Brett Uren, our managing partner, also enrollment specialist here in Savannah.
Right.
And we're happy to be here. Thank you so much for having us.
Yeah, we're having such a good time. What made you change the name? Let's talk about that. Let's go into the deep dive here.
Yeah, so a little bittersweet. Little bittersweet, but basically CMS, which is the governing body for Medicare, adopted a new rule prohibiting the use of Medicare in a company's name. Obviously that affected us because our name is Savannah Medicare Specialist. So while it is bittersweet because A, it was extremely challenging for us to rebrand across multiple markets. Right. It was expensive for us to rebrand, but we know why they did it. They're trying to clean up the industry. If you're a viewer right now and you're out there on Medicare or close to it, no doubt you're getting phone calls left and right. Your mailbox is filled with advertisements, and a lot of those advertisements are misleading. And companies are using that Medicare name to mislead consumers, to trick them into switching their plan, which can affect their insurance with their doctors not being in network or their prescriptions not being covered. So while it's been challenging for us, we took the opportunity to celebrate our favorite number, 64.
Yes, with briquettes, with hot dogs.
That's right.
And call ourselves 64 Insurance Group. So yeah, cooking 64 hot dogs and 64 charcoals at 64 degrees, so we may be here for a while.
Yeah, and it's important to note the heat that we are experiencing off of this grill, and you guys are committed. Now, Brett, what does it feel like to work underneath, the expert tutelage here of your boy, Chip?
I tell you, so Chip and I go way back, much further than just Medicare. We were college roommates at Georgia Southern Universities. Go Eagles. We played soccer together growing up. We've known each other basically our whole lives. So working together, we mesh very well. We love working together, and he makes it very easy, obviously. We have fun with it, but we do take Medicare very serious. When we're in with our clients, we really do have their best interests at heart and really enjoy what we do.
Yeah, and to that point, Chip, why did you start this business? What was it the trigger for you? What's so special about Medicare?
Yeah, so about 15 years ago, I got my insurance license. I was trying to figure out which direction to take it. And honestly, I was coming across horror story after horror story of folks that were either transitioning to Medicare or were already past 65 and didn't know that they had to enroll. If you're drawing Social Security, the government will automatically enroll you in Medicare. But if you're not, then you could be penalized. And these penalties are for life. So there was a humongous need for it. And, we decided we were trying to fulfill that need.
Yeah, indeed you did. Film a passion project turning into helping the community. We're going to be hanging out with them for the rest of the show. I'm going to be coming in and out. You're going to be grilling. Right. We have so much more Morning Break coming up just after the break.